Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by launching Metal Gear Solid V and going straight to the main options. This saves time. Once the title screen or pause menu appears, select Options or Config using your controller or keyboard. Make sure the game is updated so language choices aren't locked by an old patch. If you're on console, sign into the local account. On PC, confirm the launcher isn't forcing a language. Now navigate into the System or Language submenu to locate language settings. You're now in the language settings. Here you change both text and voice if available. Once inside, scroll the list and pick the desired language for subtitles, menus, and voices. Some versions separate text and voice choices. After selecting, confirm with Apply or OK so the game registers your choice. Make sure to read any prompt explaining that a restart or loading will be required. If prompted, accept and allow the game to reload assets for the new language to take effect. Once you've applied the new language, restart or relaunch the game to ensure all menus and cutscenes update properly. You should spot the change immediately in menus and during the next mission. Confirm both text and audio match your selection. If the language option was grayed out or missing, check your game's region settings, installed DLC or language packs, and platform language preferences. A quick reinstall of the language pack or verifying files often resolves persistent issues. Do that before contacting support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.